Cigarette smoking is the greatest single cause of cancer deaths in the U.S. The Surgeon General first reported that finding 32 years ago, and the statement is still true today. Despite that knowledge, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports about 42 million American adults are cigarette smokers. That's almost 1 in 5 people. Clearly, the addiction isn't an easy one to beat, but there's an unusual treatment helping some people: hypnosis. Meet Steve Davis. He recently had a heart attack. He says the health scare is just one of the reasons he's turning to hypnosis.
And I have 2 grandchildren now, and I just want to be there for them, so I want to quit. It's a bad habit.
And then you look at a cigarette, and you think about just how short-lived it is, just how little it actually offers you.
Steve wasn't scared to be hypnotized, but says the process wasn't anything like he expected.
I think my expectation was that I was going to be hypnotized. I wasn't going to have any conscious knowledge of what was going on. I was just somebody was going to snap their fingers and poof, I was going to wake up. Instead, I was kind of in this I don't even know how to describe it. I was in this place and I knew everything that was going on, but I was so relaxed. I just felt fine at the place I was at.
Certified clinical hypnotherapist Sean Wheeler has helped more than 1,800 people to stop smoking. He says hypnosis isn't about being in a trance like many people think. It's actually all about communication.
My job is to find out about that individual, what their motivations are, what their needs are, what their concerns are. And then once I have that information delivered properly when they're hypnotized, can be really, really powerful.
According to Wheeler, patients can leave their first appointment without any nicotine cravings at all. It takes others a few more tries. The key to success? Patients have to want to quit.
So it's a way of putting someone in a state of mind in which they become more receptive to suggestions that they want. And that's a very important word, by the way, that they want to accept. So if someone were hypnotized to quit smoking, but his wife wanted him to quit, and he didn't want to quit, then it's a waste of time, because people only will accept those things that they already want to do.
Wheeler says hypnosis is a nice option for patients who want to try the least invasive method first.
First, do no harm. So in the medical profession, that's the principle that they abide by. So hypnosis, even when it doesn't work, does no harm at all. Like, there's no one who ends up having a physical or an emotional or a psychological negative side effect due to a session of stop smoking hypnosis.
It's a very positive experience. It feels there's an inner positivity I feel right now. I'm not sure what the word is.
Susan Hendricks, CNN.